Hey guys, what is up? It's Tech2 here, back with another video, and today guys, I'm going to be going ahead and showing you guys all how you can get the iOS 13 developers beta without actually having to be an Apple developer, and also without using a computer. Now, as many of you know, you do have to pay a $99 annual fee to be an Apple developer, so that means that if you do want to get the iOS 13 beta early, you will have to pay $99. So instead, in this video, I will show you how you can bypass that step and not have to be an Apple developer to get the beta. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So before we start, I am just gonna say that it would be best to back up your iDevice before we continue with any steps shown in this video, just to be safe in case anything goes wrong. With that aside, first you guys will have to head to the website betaprofiles.com, and of course links for that will be in the description. When you reach there, scroll down to the iOS 13 beta and just click on download. Next, go to settings, and on the top a profile download tab should appear. Afterwards, simply enter the password and install the profile. Your device should then restart, and in general software updates, there now should be an option for downloading iOS 13.2. Then simply download it, and it will automatically be installed. When you have finished, there will be no extra setup involved. Simply enter your password and you will then be greeted with iOS 13, along with all your apps and data. Alright, so guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found this video helpful and enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like. And for more videos about tech and also new iOS 13 updates, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.